Stephie D. Welcome back to Stephie D Creates. Today we're going to be making something that is so quick and so fun to make. They make amazing gifts, especially this time of year for teacher appreciation gifts. We're going to be making etched soap dispensers. They are personalized with the person's initial on them. You're going to be shocked at how easy these are to make. This technique can also be used on anything else that's glass, so if you want to go to the dollar store and get mugs or cups, you can put initials on anything that's glass. That's how amazing this is. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, stephiedcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with Stephie D Creates videos. I am so excited to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Stephie D. Here's what you're going to need. Glass soap dispensers, etching cream, vinyl, an X-Acto knife, tape, scissors, a paintbrush, gloves, printed letters, and a piece of cardboard. I always put a piece of cardboard down first when I'm using my X-Acto knife so I don't cut through and cut the table. So we're going to start with a piece of cardboard down first. Then we're going to take a piece of our vinyl, and you want it to be the same size as your piece of paper with your letters on it. So we're going to cut a piece of vinyl that is the same size. Now that our vinyl is cut, we're going to tape it to our cardboard. When you tape it down, you want to make sure it is nice and tight and that there are no bubbles in it. Then you're going to take your sheet with your letters on it, and we're going to tape this right on top of our vinyl. Now for the fun part. We're going to use our X-Acto knife and cut out around the letters with your X-Acto knife, making sure that you're pressing hard enough to cut through the paper and the vinyl, but not the cardboard. You're just going to go around the outside of the letters, giving it a nice outline. If your lines aren't straight, it's actually okay. There's something magical that happens when we use the etching cream. It makes everything look good, even if your lines are a little bumpy. If you're doing a letter like the A here that has a centerpiece, you also want to cut that out because we're going to be including it when we etch. So make sure that you're outlining the middle of the A as well. Once you have finished outlining your letters, we're going to take our X-Acto knife and cut a little box around our letters so it creates a stencil. Then we're going to take our paper off and lift our vinyl cutout off of the cardboard. So you should have your paper on top and your vinyl sticker underneath. Then we're going to pop out our letter. So you should have basically a big letter-shaped hole, and if you have a letter that had a centerpiece, you're going to pop that little centerpiece out as well. Take your soap dispenser or whatever piece of glass you're working on and make sure that it is nice and clean. So I have already washed this, and we're going to put our stencil on top. So carefully peel the black vinyl sticker away from the backing. I just peel off one side at a time to get it started. I line it up where I want it to go, put my first corner down, and then lay the other corner down on the bottom. And then I'm going to carefully peel off the rest of the sticker. Be careful, vinyl is really sticky, so it's gonna stick to whatever it touches. I pull really tightly to make sure that my sticker comes out evenly. The good thing about working with vinyl is if you make a mistake or it's not coming out even, you can lift it back up and replace it where you want it to go. Make sure you smooth around all of the edges so that your vinyl sticker is really stuck on there. When it is all smoothed on there, we're going to take our little centerpiece of the A and peel off the back. Place it right in the middle where it would go in your letter. Press it on there, make sure it's on there nice and smooth. Before we get started with the etching cream, I'm going to be putting on some gloves as a protective layer. Etching cream can cause burns if it gets on your skin, so we're going to make sure that we are using safety and wearing gloves as we work with it. I am also going to be working over a paper towel in case any of the etching cream drips. Take your paintbrush and fill in all of the open areas in your stencil. For this stencil, it's actually okay to go over your edges. It'll give your lines a more crisp look. Once you have filled your letter in with etching cream, I like to go over it a second time to give it a nice thick layer. It also makes sure that there are no air bubbles in your etching cream. So take your paintbrush and just do a second layer of etching cream right on top, making sure that you have no gaps or holes, no air bubbles,
that everything is filled in.
When you finish your second layer, we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna go to the sink and wash off the etching cream. I keep my gloves on so I can rub off any excess. Run it under warm water. You don't need any soap right now. Just wash off the etching cream. When you've washed off all of your etching cream, it's time for my favorite part, the big reveal. So carefully peel off your vinyl sticker to reveal the amazing letter that you made. This is so cool because the etching cream gives it a milky effect. Isn't that amazing? The only thing left to do is fill it with a colorful soap so it shows off all of your hard work. Put a ribbon on it and give it away. Or keep it for yourself. Whichever you do, I hope you enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video learning how to easily etch glass and make these adorable soap dispensers. I had a great time. If you did too, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see all new Stephie D Creates videos. As always, full instructions are on my blog, stephiedcreates.com. Links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Stephie D Creates to stay up to date with behind the scenes information and upcoming projects. Keep sending me pictures of everything that you're making using the hashtag StephieDCreate so I get to see them. I love seeing how creative you guys are. You inspire me. I can't wait to see what you make this week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.